Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I'd like to tell you I want to share with you my disappointment. I'm shocked and disappointed to have been returned away by the illegal regime this morning. This is an abuse of power by the illegal regime in Madagascar, and the proof of their persistent unilateral decision to refuse me into my own country. They sent this notice to the company Airlines, saying I cannot get in the aeroplane. It is sad to say to you, and it is illegal also, because the Malagasy citizen can come back, no restriction. But the problem for me and for the people is why they send it like this. And then the company cannot allow me to get in the airplane. So, I'm doing what the Malagasy people want to do, to go back to Madagascar and to start the Malagasy dialogue. And this is also the recommendation of SADC to restore peace in this country. I know there are 100,000 of supporters at the airport in Antananarivo waiting for my return today. These people are not only from my movements, but from all sectors of civil society, individual, churches, from the other movements. I'm sure they share my frustration and disappointment in not being allowed to return. I have a steadfast determination to return to my country. I'm coming back for peace, not for war. The Malagasy people need me. And Madagascar needs democracy. Madagascar needs freedom. We cannot have this under this current regime. We should form so quickly the neutral transition government. I will talk to anyone and meet to anyone to bring peace. They cannot solve this political crisis in Madagascar if they don't involve me and my movements. The reality in Madagascar has been proven today by a large crowd on the ground in support of my return. I will find a way to get back to Madagascar. My staff are working on every alternative, means getting me back to my country. I'm very, very sad, as I say to you, because I don't want to disappoint the Malagasy people. That with this letter, this notice from the Autorité regime, illegal regime, the company of transport here in Madagascar cannot allow me to get in the airplane. I bought the tickets 1 week ago, and I saw it here during this press conference last Thursday. Everything is okay. I didn't know it before. Only on the front of the check-in desk, they show it to me. So that is my concern right now. So I'm ready to listen to answer your question, some of your questions.